Yo over there, it's me again, TueTieDy, and welcome back to my channel. So, I've already used to make video about me playing some games like, yeah, I show you guys my gameplay, but I think not today because I've seen so much people suffer about this problem, okay? The problem that I don't have any proof, I don't have any video about the problem, but I can explain the problem to you. The problem was the recording goes well. I mean, when you start your recording and you play your games, okay, it doesn't have any legs, okay, it just move and everything is okay while you were recording. But when you watch your recording, I mean, edit file, okay, like this. I save my recording to captures, okay, like this, and you watch your recording back, and it goes really fucking lag, okay. I mean, it's not laggy, I think it's freezing, okay. Your video get freeze around 5 to 10 seconds and then it change it frames back. No, I mean it changed it frames, okay. So it's really fuck, okay. I've already faced that problem before, so I watched tons of video. I mean, not that tons of video, but yeah, I do some research about that, and clearly there's none of the video fits my problem. I mean, yeah, that all of them is really useful for you, but it's not that not fits my problem. So I tried the setting. I do really grinding about that because I just want to record my Valorant gameplay. Okay, I just want to record my Valorant gameplay. So I really grind for that thing. So yeah, I do it by myself. So I just wanna go straight to the point. Let's go to the file and settings. Of course, the OBS settings. So just minimize it a little bit because you will not see these options. Okay, cancel and apply if you not minimize it, because yeah, the taskbar will hide this option. It's kind of bullshit, I know, but yeah, that's the fact. Okay, so the problem is your, I don't remember its name, but yeah, your just go to output and recording, of course, and then just go to encoder. Okay, this this is what makes your video really fucking lag. Okay, I mean it freeze around 5 to 10 seconds and then it change the frame, some sort like that. So there's a lot of you guys that leave it to default. I mean, if you don't have any graphic card like me, okay, you don't have any graphics card, so you can choose. Okay, there's no option for the encoder, so you will just set your encoder to H.264 but not quit sign H.264. okay, so just change the encoder to quit sign H.264. just change that, and I recommend you not to use stream. I mean, the encoder have other options to that. I don't remember his name, but yeah, he's like stream. I don't remember that, but just choose quick sign. But if you have NVIDIA graphics card, then you can choose then you can choose that one. It's better than this. So the quick sign H.264. okay, choose this. So let's go to target quality. Of course, for the YouTube performance, we want it to be quality, okay, and the profile. But if you have a low end PC, I recommend you to go to balance, okay. But yeah, I just choose quality. So school profile, just go high. I don't know, but yeah, I'll just choose high though. So this number, I think there's nothing to get into it, so just rate control. I choose CBR. Okay, I don't know what it means, but I've seen some YouTubers choose CQB for NVIDIA graphics, but yeah, we don't have any of that. So I will leave it to CBR and change your bitrate to 10,000 KB per second. It means 10,000 KB per second equals to 10 MB per second. Okay, it's not that big. Yeah, just change it and then click apply. Don't forget that. That's why I told you to minimize it a little bit. Because why? Because if you not minimize it a little bit, you will not see that. Okay, I mean, it's just like that. Okay, you can see that option. That's why I told you to minimize it a little bit, and then you can see it. I know it's like a magic, but that's the fact. So just click apply and then don't click OK or cancel. So just proceed to the video. Okay, audio, I don't want to touch it. Okay, because I just want to straight to the point, because the problem is really fucked to me. But yeah, I've already found the way to solve that shit. So let's go to video. Best canvas resolution, I just leave it to default, so it's up to you guys to change it. I don't know, it's up to you. So downscale filter, I choose big QB. Okay, if you choose Lanzos, it's too high, so I'll just choose big QB. But if you have high spec PC, then it's really important if you choose Lanzos, because it's really cool. So common FPS values, just change it to 60. Okay, 60 is great for gaming. And then just that, I think. So I don't have anything to tell you now. Maybe that's the problem. It's not because your laptop fault, it's not because your fault, it's just because OBS OBS setting fault. Okay, you just need to change the settings one by one, then you will find out which one is best. That's what I'm doing. That's how I know how to solve that fucking problem. I know it's hard, but yeah, that's the only thing that you can do. If you have already tried all the method in the YouTube, Google, and something like that, and none of them work, then you need to try this method. Okay, try one per one. Okay, like me. Okay, so yeah, I've already told ya, don't forget about this. This is really important, you know. So I'll just click OK, and yep, that's all for today. I'll see you next time in the next video. I think I'll record me playing Valorant. Yeah, another 1 hour video. I know it's really long, but cool. I really enjoy that game so much. So yeah, see ya next time. Bye bye.